Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will explain to you how to write a program using a class in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded videos. Okay, so we will have a walkthrough. So we have 19 lines of code here. I'm using online GDB to run the code. So we have here the class temperature converter, and then I have declared two functions or methods in Python. So Celsius to Fahrenheit and then Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we have here the formula, and then we have here Celsius temperature. We assign a value of 34.36. On the other hand, Fahrenheit underscore temperature, we have here 134.98. Line number 14, we have here the title, print temperature converter using a class in Python. Line number 16 and 17, we will display the results. So two decimal places, format calling the original Celsius temperature and temperature function, temperature converter to in Celsius to Fahrenheit. The same way with line number 17, Fahrenheit to Celsius, it is another way around. By this time, we convert Fahrenheit to temperature. And a program, thank you for using this program to inform the user that the program has been ended and terminated. Let us run the code by click the run button here in online GDB. Okay, we have here the output. So temperature converter using a class in Python, Celsius to Fahrenheit, we have 34.36 Celsius is equal to 93.85 degrees Fahrenheit. For Fahrenheit to Celsius, 134.98 degrees Fahrenheit equals to 57.21 degrees Celsius. And a program, thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on temperature converter using a class in Python. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Thank you for listening and watching my videos. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.